Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm a little crooked here, just let me straighten the camera. We are going to tackle a solo in the key of E major today, and we're just going to use one scale shape where your root note is going to start on your A string on the 7th fret, 7, 9, 11 on that string. You'll play 7, 9, 11 on the D string, so both of these strings are identical shapes. And on your 3rd string, your G string, you'll play 8, 9, 11. On the B string, the 2nd string, you'll play 9, 10, 12. And then on the high E string, you will play 9, 11, 12. Okay, so we're going to start our little lick, our first riff of the scale or the solo on your D and G string here. So we're going to be focused here on our 9th and 11th fret here. Okay, so right here in this section here. You can also call this shape one of C minor pentatonic, if you want to look at it that way too. The way this track is actually going is first section is more C sharp minor, sorry, and then the second half focuses more on the E major part of the key. Okay, so our first riff of our solo is going to be on those two strings here.